Hi everyone, this is Braden here from Voiceflow, back for another Voiceflow tutorial video, and today we're going to be going over the stream block. Now, what the stream block allows you to do from a high level is play high quality sounds that are longer than 90 to 240 seconds on your Alexa devices. Now, of course, you can play shorter audio clips as well, but we do have the speak block, which allows you to play short audio clips, so we definitely recommend if you're not looking for high quality sounds, if you're just looking for a normal quick sound effect, use the speak block. I'll put a link in the video description below for you to check out that video. But back to the stream block. So the stream block is made by Alexa, and what it allows you to do is play these long, high quality sound effects, like for example, a song or a podcast or something from an RSS feed. Now, we're going to hop right into it as it is a fairly simple block. So let's do it. So I'm going to drag out my stream block here, and I'm going to connect it right up to our start block so that as soon as the skill is opened, it's going to start playing. Now you'll notice a couple different things here. First of all, it only has one port, and it has the stop, pause sort of text on it. So when the user says either Alexa stop or Alexa pause, it will activate this port right here. Now going into the block menu, we can see we can add files, so it can support most audio type files from .wavs, MP3s, and many other file types. And we can also stream from a URL as well. Now we can choose to loop the audio. So for example, if we do have, let's say, some snoring sleep sounds that are 5 seconds long, we can choose to loop that audio until the user says the keyword. We also have audio player functions. And so now you'll see we've added two additional functions to our audio block. So if I turn this off, you'll see it goes down just to stop pause. And if I click this, it will go to stop pause, next, and previous. And so what this allows is for the user to be able to say Alexa next in the middle of the stream. It will then activate this port and go to wherever is next. And we'll do a quick demo of this at the end. And so that is the entire stream block. It is fairly simple. However, again, if you are playing this for sound effects, it is highly recommended you use the speak block if you're doing sort of one-off sound effects like a door creaking or a sound of a buzzer if you win a trivia question. That's better set for the speak block. However, we are going to play a longer background music audio clip, and that is perfect for the stream block. So I'm going to go into my add files here and put background music. There it is right there. And I will drag that in. And you'll see it's 3 minutes and 17 seconds long, and that would not even work in the speak block, so that is perfect for the stream block. Now I could listen to a preview of it here or clear it, but instead I'm going to link it up with a couple of speak blocks. So let's do this. So I'm going to have a speak block for you have paused. I'm going to connect that to the stop/pause command. I'm going to link one up saying next song if the user says next. And I will link one up that says playing the previous song for previous. Having trouble typing. The previous song. Okay, great, and I'll link that up. So now we have our 3 different commands leading to different text. And after this, we could go to, for example, let's say there was a next song. We could link to another song, and we could even say the song title before it starts playing. And so that sort of gives you the power of how we've done the stream block in Voiceflow. It gives you a lot of customization. Okay, so let's do this and upload to Alexa here. Bit of a longer upload on these ones. Great. Okay. Echo, open Braden test. So now you can hear the background music is starting to play. It's very high quality compared to the speak block because it doesn't go through a conversion. Echo, next.
Next song.
And so right there, you'll see that it activated our speak block here. And so we are now out of the stream block. And so that is the stream block in a nutshell. Is a very easy to use block. However, it is best for longer audio clips or clips that are going to be playing for at least a minute or two. So things on loop or longer audio files. Okay, everyone, that is the stream block. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.